Hi, Kim here. I just wanted to come to you real quick today to tell you about how I curl my hair with my new automatic curling iron. This is an experience for me, or a new experience for me, and it comes in this box here, and this is what it looks like. And I think I paid $12, just $12 for it, and it comes with the charging cord as well, as you can see. And then what you do is you just press this button here, hold it down till it turns on, and then it'll turn on and it'll heat up. And also it comes with a couple of clips. And honestly, I'm just going to end this up like this. Okay. And I'm not going to curl all the way around. I think I'm just going to curl the front just to show you how it works. What you do is you take a piece of hair, not too thick, not too thin, just an average piece of hair, like this size. And you take the curling iron and you just put your hair down inside the slot and you just hit this button and it curls your hair up in there, and then you let go of the button and it'll beep until it's ready. And once it beeps, it's ready, but I usually give it a couple extra seconds. And then once you're done, once you're ready, you just pull it off. And that's the curl you get, just like that. Okay, do another section. This section here. And again, you just put it down in the slot, hit the button, roll it up, rolls it up, stops, then you let go, and then it beeps until it's ready. I love using this automatic curling iron. It's so simple to use. I don't always use it. Sometimes I straighten my hair, sometimes I curl it like this, and sometimes I just put big waves in it, volume into it. Okay. And then I'm just going to do another piece here. My clip is actually coming out, so I'm just going to take that out. The top part out, and then we'll split that in two sections. And again, you just take it in the slot, let it roll up, hold it there till it's done. And I'll give it about another 5 seconds. And then you just take it off, and there's your curl. It works really well. My curl actually holds for quite a while. Longer than the regular curling iron does, I can tell you that. Because when I use a curling iron on my hair, the curl falls out most of the time within 10 minutes. So this actually holds it for several hours, and sometimes it's still there the next morning when I wake up. This is the neatest little thing, and I really only paid about $12 for it. Now I'm going to do this side. And you can curl it frontwards or backwards, however you like to curl it. You can do it this way. Look at that. And that's pretty. So pretty. And we'll take another little section here. And I try to curl mine this way, so I put it in this way. Now, if you have any questions at all, just email me or message me over on my Facebook page, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, or comment down below. This, I'll take it out. That's going to be too big. We're just going to half that. Take this piece. Since they're thin pieces, you may not have to do another 5 seconds. You could probably just take it out when it beeps. And I'm still going to give it a couple seconds. There we go. Then the next section. The thicker amount of hair you have to put in it, the harder it is to do. The less hair you have to put in it, the easier it is. And see, if you have too much hair, it won't work. So you can't do but so much at a time. You can't do too much. Okay. Okay, so there's all my curls, and you can just take your fingers if you want and just kind of run it through. I mean, you could leave the curls the way they are if you wanted to. I just take them out. Just like that. And that's what it looks like. Simple to do. All you do is put your hair in this. It does all the work. So anyway, like I said, if you have any questions, just email me or message me or comment below. But thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.